Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyazi, angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani Cameraman ngithini Mfokasiwela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yeah.
Bubaba.
Bafethu, on today's episode, we are looking at Carling Black Label Cup All-Star. Yeah, you will match it the way you went off the way guy. Where Orlando Pirates will be playing against the team that was assembled by AMA fans, whether be it TDC and the players who are playing with PSL.
Yeah.
We'll be dissecting on that and more. Let's start with All Stars.
Yeah.
Okay, well, with All Stars, I want us to look at the concept first. The concept. What do you make of the concept to have players who are playing from different clubs to come together?
I know it's a very unique one.
Yeah.
It's a very unique one, and it's been working for the past years since Carling Black Label had this thing, and it also gives the TDC boys to come and actually play with the big guns, you know.
Yeah.
And especially playing against and playing with in the same team,
At
because
the
how
same
it's being
time,
formed
yes.
is like five players from TTC and then 6 players with PSL. So when we vote, you only vote for PSL and TTC. So
Oh.
hence we have this mixer to make 11.
Oh,
so
it's
it
that
gives
category.
so it gives
Yeah.
the boys a chance to be. So I love the concept. It's proper one.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's good. I've heard that according to the books, it hasn't been the winner of the Carling knockout hasn't been the one who wins the All-Star.
Only the All-Stars win that.
Yeah, man.
So it might take a mixture of players to beat Orlando Pirates, but we don't know.
Yeah, man. I've heard someone saying that. Hey, this one, yes, Carter, man.
Yeah, but
whether we lose, whether we win. If we win, hey, even if this again together, you can't beat us.
So it's tough, man. It's tough.
Hey, it's very tough.
It's gonna be interesting one. Though.
Yeah,
I think it's gonna be an interesting one, man.
Let's look at the names.
Yeah.
Well, the ones that you remember on top of your head, especially the TDC ones, because I think that the concept that you already explained, it's more to focus on giving the exposure to the development players. From this thing starts from the dressing room, even in the field of play. So I want us to look at the players who are coming from. I think it's the second time Naledi Kanje. Vilakazi is also a product of this particular setup, and he's making this regular show ups.
He's a favorite.
Yeah, he is a favorite. It goes to show how much South Africa loves football, because he's not only voted by Kaizer Chiefs fans. The other fans, they are also excited to see him within that setup.
Yeah, it's a pity because there are also some players. I'm not familiar with DCC.
Yeah,
but I think we have 2 center back from Sundowns.
Yes,
which are playing with DCC.
Yeah.
So, but it's unfortunate. I don't know them, but I hope because they're being voted, those who are watching DCC regularly, surely they have faith in them as best center backs that you can have in All Stars. You know.
Yeah.
So it shows the impact that the DCC have, and going to this one, the boys are about to gain more experience.
Yeah. It can only be better from here. It's interesting. I know fans they vote with whoever they feel, but it's interesting to have 2 young centre backs who are not very well known in South African football as yet. You know, we don't really watch DDC that much. But they are not that well known. To trust them, it's very interesting.
Very interesting. It's a game worth watching.
Yeah. And it's playing eThekwini in December.
Unfortunately,
so
yeah,
unfortunately, we will not be around. There are some other commitments. Already, as you know, it's December. You know, so yeah.
but on that All Stars lineup, we still have goalkeeper Peter Sig of Kaizer Chiefs.
that's what we were talking about.
Yeah.
Having the mixture of experience
Yeah.
and the young ones.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Even the young players. I hope there is one goalkeeper who's selected the learning from the best.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. I think for me, it's not even a game that I will take as a competitive game.
Yes.
It's
a learning curve.
Yes, it's a learning
Gain that
curve for the young
experience.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know with the side of Orlando Pirates, there are players who are already on camp for Bafana. And we want to see the ones who are not as used as the other ones.
Yeah.
We want to see them performing, and also even the coach giving, because that game it's more like an exhibition match.
Yes.
Giving the young ones from the Orlando Pirates, even if I don't know if it's allowed to have the TDC players, but I think it is, because the ones that were voted for coming from Orlando Pirates, like your Mokones of this world, were removed.
Were removed from that All
Yes.
Stars because
So-
Pirates won the cup. So
Yes. So I would love to see that the blend, as we were talking about that the other side,
Yeah.
even on this side where
We need
you
to
have
see
a TDC mixed with
experience,
the
the senior guys,
experience. Yes. Yeah, but for it.
But we shall see whether the All Stars defend their cup or Orlando Pirates is still remaining unbeaten.
Yeah,
We don't know.
the problem is Orlando Pirates takes everything. Yeah, he takes everything.
We
The
shall
way
see.
we see things.
We shall see. We shall see. We don't know.
Yeah, numbers don't lie.
But China is also with Bafana Fan.
Yes.
Okay, we
So
shall
it
see.
gives a second
Yeah.
choice goalkeeper a chance to play as well.
Yeah.
I hope to see a Dladla or a Zulu, but it's Bandile Zulu. I hope to see those goalkeepers.
You don't
I
want
know.
to see Butchelis.
I'm not saying I don't want to say Butchelis, but as I was saying, that I hope to see the young ones.
Yeah.
You know,
Even if you play half
giving-
time, second half time
exactly.
of the
Yeah, because it's an exhibition match. You
Yeah.
can change as much as you want. Yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe. You like, you share, you tell a friend to tell a friend, you comment. We are there by YouTube, there by TikTok, there by Facebook, there by Twitter. Hopefully later on.
available
Yeah.
WhatsApp as well.
Yeah. You can call us.
Bafethu siyabonga for your support.